One Apple CarPlay smartphone can be connected, either by USB cable or in wireless mode. First, activate your iPhone's Siri function. Your iPhone's wireless connection can be initialized from the device menu. First, activate the CarPlay function in the Settings Bluetooth menu of your phone. In the Bluetooth menu, click on the I next to the relevant vehicle and activate CarPlay. Press on the Settings application. In the list, select the Connectivity tab. Select Devices to display the device you wish to connect to Apple CarPlay. If the device has previously been connected to the system via Bluetooth, select the Devices settings in the list of known devices and choose Apple CarPlay as the wireless connection mode. If the device has never been connected to the system, proceed with pairing. The system will detect if the smartphone is compatible with Apple CarPlay and offer to connect to it after pairing. For the smartphone to be automatically connected thereafter, you must activate your device's Bluetooth. As soon as the connection is established, press this button to display the Apple CarPlay interface. In case of difficulty with the wireless connection, connect your iPhone to the system via the USB port. Apple CarPlay will be launched automatically a few seconds after the USB connection has been established. The smartphone charges when it is connected via USB cable. The cable connection allows you to avoid any disconnections, especially when going through a toll booth. To launch the smartphone's voice commands, long press the command button on the steering wheel.